Welcome to Glow Kids World.
Today, we will learn how big construction vehicles help build roads and houses. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is a dump truck.
A dump truck carries sand, rocks, or soil in its big open box. It can lift the box up to dump everything out with a loud whoosh.
This is a forklift.
A forklift is a small vehicle with two metal forks in front. It lifts and moves heavy boxes or materials up and down, especially in warehouses and construction sites.
This is a crane truck.
A crane truck has a long arm that can lift and move heavy things high up. It helps build tall buildings by carrying big materials safely.
This is a bulldozer.
A bulldozer is a strong machine with a big metal blade in front. It pushes soil, sand, and rocks to make the ground flat and ready for building.
This is an excavator.
An excavator is a big machine that digs the ground with its long arm and bucket. It helps build roads, houses, and bridges by moving dirt and rocks easily.
This is a backhoe loader.
A backhoe loader has a small shovel in the front and a digging arm in the back. It can lift, dig, and move dirt, just like two machines in one.
This is an articulated hauler.
An articulated hauler is a big truck with a joint in the middle, so it can bend and turn easily. It carries heavy loads like rocks or dirt across rough, bumpy ground.
This is an asphalt distributor truck.
An asphalt distributor truck is a machine that sprays hot liquid asphalt onto roads. It helps make the road smooth so cars can drive safely.
This is a cement mixer truck.
A cement mixer truck has a big turning drum that spins round and round. It mixes cement, sand, and water to make concrete for building houses and roads.
This is a dragline excavator.
A dragline excavator is a giant machine with a long boom and a hanging bucket. It digs deep holes and moves lots of earth, especially in mining and big construction sites.
This is a grader.
A grader has a long blade under its body that smooths the ground. It helps make roads even and ready for paving.
This is a pile driver.
A pile driver is a tall machine that hammers long poles deep into the ground. It helps make strong foundations for big buildings and bridges.
This is a road roller.
A road roller is a heavy machine with a big smooth drum in front. It rolls and presses the ground to make roads flat and strong.
This is a scraper.
A scraper is a big machine that cuts and collects soil from the ground. It moves the dirt to another place to help make the land flat and smooth.
This is a skid steer loader.
A skid steer loader is a small but powerful machine with wheels. It can lift, push, and carry dirt or rocks, perfect for working in tight spaces.
This is a soil compactor.
A soil compactor is a strong machine that presses the soil to make it hard and firm. It helps keep the ground solid so buildings and roads stay strong.
This is a telehandler.
A telehandler is a machine with a long arm that can lift things high or far. It's great for moving heavy materials on construction sites.
This is a trencher.
A trencher is a machine that digs long, narrow holes in the ground. It cuts through dirt quickly, like a big metal shovel on wheels.
This is a forestry tractor.
A forestry tractor is a strong tractor made for working in the forest. It pulls heavy logs, clears trees, and moves wood safely through rough, muddy ground.
This is a tipper truck.
A tipper truck is a big truck that carries sand, soil, or rocks in its back box. The back box can lift up and tip everything out quickly to unload the materials.
Thanks for watching.